6. Executive position, Vice President of Operations. Job role. Setting the strategic direction for logistics operations, aligning with overall business objectives. Collaborating with other executives to develop and implement corporate strategies. Overseeing budgeting, forecasting, and financial performance of the operations department. Required skills. Visionary leadership and the ability to drive change and innovation. Strong business acumen and strategic planning capabilities. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Work experience. 10+ years in logistics operations, with executive-level experience. Compensation range. $120,000 to $150,000 plus per year. Here are the companies in which you can find these opportunities. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.